Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to learn GRE words easily. Mastering GRE vocabulary can feel daunting, but with the right strategies, it becomes much more manageable. We'll explore effective techniques like using flashcards for active recall and spaced repetition, which helps embed words into your long-term memory. Understanding words in context is also vital, moving beyond simple definitions. Additionally, we'll discuss how mnemonic devices can create powerful, lasting associations for challenging words. Consistent daily practice, even for 15 to 20 minutes, is key to solidifying your learning. Engaging actively with new words significantly boosts retention. Instead of passively reading lists, try making your own flashcards. Write the word, its definition, and a sentence you create yourself. This active process strengthens memory pathways. Also, keep a running list of unfamiliar words you encounter while reading. Make it a habit to use these new words in your conversations or writing. This practical application helps solidify their meaning and usage. Finally, understanding common word roots, prefixes, and suffixes can help you decipher many new words. Spaced repetition is a powerful, evidence-based technique for long-term memory. Instead of reviewing words daily, you revisit them at increasing intervals, just before you might forget them. This method is highly effective for converting short-term memories into lasting knowledge. Digital flashcard apps like Anki or Quizlet are excellent tools for implementing spaced repetition automatically. Aim for consistent daily study sessions, perhaps 15 to 30 minutes, rather than infrequent, long cramming sessions. Spreading your learning over several months yields far better results. To further enhance your vocabulary, immerse yourself in diverse reading materials such as academic journals or reputable newspapers. This exposes you to words in context. Leverage technology by using vocabulary apps like Magush GRE Vocabulary Builder, which offer curated lists and quizzes. For particularly stubborn words, create your own unique and even humorous mnemonic devices. Personal associations are often the most effective. Finally, consider studying with a friend, quizzing each other verbally to reinforce definitions and usage. Consistent effort across these methods will yield significant improvement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.